evening, guys. Tonight, um, we are talking about what is trading, all the trading basics that you absolutely need to know in order to trade. And so, this is the second episode of the beginner trading mentorship. No, yes, the second episode, but it's called the first one because the actual first episode was the episode zero, the introduction. So, it's the first episode of the beginner trading mentorship. So, what is trading? Let's start to actually understand this. So, trading is just a buying and selling of a digital good, which could be a cryptocurrency, an asset, an index. By the way, a buying and selling of a digital good. So, you want to buy the good, this asset, when it costs less, and you want to sell it when it costs more, or you want to sell the asset when it is at a higher price, and you want to buy it at a lower price. You get money between the difference. So by the difference. Okay. So mm, for example, if I buy let's say Bitcoin at 100,000 and I sell it at 100,500 dollars, I get $500. Okay, the difference minus commissions that the broker gives us. Um, so why do these markets move? These markets move. So there are tons of theories. Okay, there are literally a lot of theories. Some people say it's because of the inflation and the news and everything. Some people say it's because of the interaction between buyers and sellers. The theory I follow, which is the ICT theory, don't want to steal anything. Most of the concepts I teach are from ICT. Is that there is an algorithm in the market, AI generated, so nothing human. It's an AI, an algorithm, which moves price to give to take the money from the retailers. Retailers are traders, from home, just normal traders like us, and give it to institutions. Okay, so the big money is the institutions. So there is an algorithm. So our goal as traders is to understand how this algorithm works. I'll teach you, and uh, and try to make money basing our decisions on the algorithm. Okay, so what do we need to actually trade practically? We need a broker, which is the platform that will fill our orders, will get our trades in the market, so it will also take commissions. I've done a video on brokers. You can see it is called "What broker should you use?" based on the market. By the way, it's very interesting. If you want, you can watch it. And then we also need an analysis platform. So, for example, this that I'm using now is TradingView, and is the most famous analysis platform. I absolutely recommend it to you. It's free. You can get, if you want, you can upgrade it and pay, but I use it for free. Okay, so of course there are many different markets to trade in. So there are cryptos, there are indexes, futures, there is the forex market, there is stocks, there are a lot of markets. Okay, different markets. So the underlying logic is still the same, but they have different volatility, which is how much price moves, how quickly it does move. So different time. Um, by the way, the underlying logic is still the same. So an important concept is smart money versus dumb money. What does this mean? That in the market, the smart money is represented by the large institutions and investment funds, okay? And the dumb money is technically represented by us retailers, traders from home, okay, with a small capital. Even if you have $100,000, is still really small compared to those giants of the institutions. Okay, so the smart money tries to technically steal retailers' money. So how does it do that? The algorithm gets price to where traders' money is, to where their stop loss is, and so it makes them lose. So smart money gets money from the dumb money. What do we want to do? Follow what the smart money does and where the market goes. So that's how we want to make our money. So revising this, trading is buying expecting to have a higher price or selling expecting to have a lower price, making money on this or losing on this. Okay, so in order to win as a trader, we need to understand what the algorithm may be doing, what the smart money may be doing, which is the same thing. To make money in the markets, we don't need to always be right. We don't need to. We will always make mistakes. You can't get only profitable trades. You will always lose. But if most of the time you win, if when you win bigger, then you're making money. Okay. So these are pretty much the basics. From tomorrow, we'll start actually going deep into the market, seeing how to apply real market concepts, see how to follow the algorithm. Okay. So I advise you to create a paper trading account, which I did. You can just go over to TradingView, go down where there's written brokers. You get paper trading from TradingView. It's easy. It just gives you the amount of money you want on paper, so fake money, and you can trade with that so that you get experience without risking anything. We talked about demo trading in another video. It is called demo trading. I strongly suggest you to watch it. And so if you want to follow this beginner trading mentorship, which is what will actually make you start trading in 2025 with the best approach you can get. Okay, I advise you to, if you want to follow, put like whatever you want. I don't really care. I'm just trying to give value to people. So this was it. Be safe. Enjoy your your day, your weekend that will come. Nothing. Have a good night.